Hey, I'm Richard Lee. I'm from the Bay Area, San Ramon, California. So I chose UC Davis because I have family and friends who went to Davis, the amazing faculty that Davis has, and also the close-knit community that Davis offers. So a unique thing about me is that I have a personal website that I made from scratch.
Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Aguilar Morales. I grew up here in California's Central Coast on the Monterey Bay. I did my undergrad at UC Davis and I continue to do my graduate studies here because I appreciate how encouraging the campus is, the amazing faculty, and the really big emphasis on career and preparation, especially for the CPA. Someone who really inspires me and all of my choices so far is my little sister, so I'm really excited to kind of go on this path and maybe do something that I can introduce to her as well.
How's it going? I'm Will Lucas, here for the master-professional-accountancy program at UC Davis. I'm originally from Fairfield, California, just down the street here from Davis. So the reason I chose UC Davis is I have family in the area. UC Davis has a great reputation as a college, and I really wanted to be in a college town. After I'm done with the program here, I really want to work in accounting and keep growing professionally.
Hi, I'm Clarissa McIspac. I am from Manila, Philippines and Sacramento, California. I chose UC Davis because it's close to home for the MPAc program and also for the beautiful campus. A fun fact about me is that I'm a Navy veteran.
Hey, my name's TJ Chang. I'm from Taiwan, Taipei. The reason I choose UC Davis is weather, people, and also the community. The person inspiring me is my family and my friends.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Mendez. I come from a small town up in Clear Lake, California. I chose UC Davis because of their diversity and sustainability efforts and just how welcoming everyone is. And after the program, I want to be able to get my CPA license.